Icebox air conditioner here. About to fire it up. I froze the entire styrofoam container, and it's just a big block of ice. Take a look. It's starting to crack because, you know, it's melting. It's going to melt even faster once I actually turn this thing on. But the most interesting thing is I got this like icicle thing coming out. Wonder if it poked a hole in it or something. Like, it's like, I've never, like, wonder what this is. I just broke this one off. It's pretty cool, like how these things actually form. It's just one solid block of ice. And so we're gonna fire this up now. It's actually putting out some pretty cold air. I wish I had a thermometer for you. Yeah, this is my icebox air cooler right here, air conditioner. That requires cold ice. This could last me the whole day. Well, the rest of the day. It's 2:30 right now. And the temperature outside is 75 degrees is what it's telling me right now. I have no idea what this is putting out. I don't have a thermometer. So anyway, bye.